Get into the 2021 Jeep Compass. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy the adventure with confidence in the Compass. It offers the perfect blend of SUV versatility and state-of-the-art safety technology. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, rear spoiler. Feel safe and secure when you explore your world in the Compass. Take a test drive today.